Now, the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Monday, the 1st of April. There are warnings of gales in Viking, Plymouth, Biscay, Fitzroy, Seoul, Bailey, Faroes and Southeast Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800, low East Seoul 987, expected fastnet 992 by 1800 Monday. New low expected time 993 by same time. Low West Seoul 983, losing its identity. The area forecast for the next 24 hours: Viking north Utsira, south Utsira, northerly or northeasterly 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale 8 later in North Viking. Fog patches at first, good, occasionally very poor at first. Forties, Cromarty 4th, east 3 or 4, backing northeast 4 to 6. Fog patches, rain later, good, occasionally very poor at first, becoming moderate or poor later. Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, northeast 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic 3 to 5, except in Fisher. Rain, fog patches, fair later in Humber, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Thames, Dover, southeast 3 to 5, veering south or southwest 4 to 6. Showers, good. White, Portland, south or southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7 later, perhaps gale 8 later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Plymouth, south or southwest 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale 8 later. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Biscay, west or southwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 to 6 later. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar, westerly, backing southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later in northwest. Occasional rain later, moderate or good. Fitzroy, Seoul, westerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, but cyclonic 3 or 4 at first in Seoul. Thundery showers, occasional rain later, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, cyclonic 4 to 6, becoming westerly 5 or 6 later in Lundy, fastnet and South Shannon. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, east or northeast 4 to 6, showers, good, occasionally moderate. Bailey, northeasterly 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 or severe gale 9 in northwest. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Fair Isle, Faroes, northeasterly 7 or gale 8 in northwest Faroes, otherwise variable 4 or less, becoming northeasterly 5 to 7. Showers, good. Southeast Iceland, northeasterly 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 at first in west. Snow, moderate to very poor, light icing. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree automatic, east-southeast 3, 19 miles, 997, now falling. Stornoway, northeast 4, 8 miles, 1000, now falling. Lerwick, north-northeast 1, mist, 900 meters, 1003, rising more slowly. Wick automatic, east 3, 7 miles, 1002, now falling. Aberdeen, north-northwest 1, fog, 100 meters, 1001, falling slowly. Lucas, northeast 3, mist, 5 miles, 999, falling slowly. Boomer, northeast 3, 11 miles, 998, falling slowly. Bridlington, east-northeast 6, 994, falling. Sandetti light vessel automatic, south-southwest 4, 2 miles, 991. St. Catherine's Point automatic, northwest by west 2, 990, rising more slowly. Jersey, southwest by south 2, 30 miles, 991, now falling. Scilly automatic, south 3, 11 miles, 988, now falling. Milford Haven, east 3, rain, 6 miles, 989, now falling. Aberporth, north 1, 22 miles, 990, falling slowly. Valley, northeast by east 4, 13 miles, 992, now falling. Liverpool Crosby, east by north 3, 16 miles, 993, falling slowly. Valencia, east 1, 24 miles, 989, falling slowly. Ronaldsway, east-northeast 5, 994, now falling. Malin Head, east by south 4, 24 miles, 995, now falling. Machrihanish Automatic, east-northeast 5, 32 miles, 996, now falling. And the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Sunday the 31st of March. The general situation, a complex area of low pressure to the southwest of the British Isles, will drift northeast over England and Wales through Monday and fill before an Atlantic low moves northeast, reaching the far southwest of Cornwall on Tuesday evening. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney, easterly 3 or 4, backing northeasterly 4 to 6. Fair, good. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed, northeast 2 to 4, increasing 4 to 6. Rain later, good, becoming moderate or poor later. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby, northeast 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic 3 to 5 later. Fair, then rain, good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, northeast 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic 3 to 5, then variable 3 or less. Rain with fog patches, mainly fair later. Moderate to very poor, becoming good later. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, cyclonic becoming southerly or southwesterly 3 to 5, occasional rain, then showers, fair later. Good, occasionally moderate at first. North Foreland to Selseybill, southerly or southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later. Thundery showers, moderate or good. Selseybill to Lyme Regis, south or southwest 4 to 6, showers, perhaps thundery, good, occasionally poor at first. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, south or southwest 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later near the Isles of Scilly. Rain or showers, perhaps thundery, good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, cyclonic 3 to 5, becoming west or southwest 2 to 4 later. Rain, then showers, perhaps thundery, good, occasionally poor. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel, northeast 4 to 6, becoming variable 3 or less. Rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor at first. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway, east or northeast 4 to 6, decreasing 2 to 4 later. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man, northeast 5 or 6, soon decreasing 4 or 5, then 3 or 4 later. Rain soon, good, occasionally moderate or poor soon. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, east or northeast 4 to 6, occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel, easterly or northeasterly 4 to 6, decreasing 2 to 4 later. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point, east or northeast 4 to 6, mainly fair, occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, easterly or northeasterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later in north, mainly fair, good. Shetland Islands variable 3 or less, becoming northeast 5 or 6, showers, good. And that completes the shipping bulletin.
I'm Petrock Trelawney, and you can join me for for 3 hours of classical music every weekday morning on Radio 3. It's the perfect soundtrack to get you ready for the day ahead. Breakfast on Radio 3. Listen on BBC Sounds.
And that's just about it from BBC Radio 4 for Easter Sunday. We'll be joining the BBC World Service shortly, but a reminder that 4 Extra continues through the night. Just about to get underway is Poetry Extra, featuring work by Ted Hughes, Sylvia Plath and Seamus Heaney. And Radio 4 returns at 5:30 on Easter Monday, when Chris Aldridge will be here with News Briefing. There's a full edition of the Today programme and, of course, our new schedule. 6 new series, some of them familiar and some of them new. So plenty to look forward to tomorrow. Until then, from me, Richard Evans, and everyone working through the night here at Broadcasting House in London, thank you for your company. Do have a peaceful night.
At midnight GMT.
Ikram! Ikram!
There are celebrations for Turkey's opposition party as it dominates local elections. It's a damaging result for those in President Erdogan's AK party.
Whatever people decide, this is the nature of democracy. You can't always win. This just shows that we have